want to talk about conflict, incompatibility between two people or more. And today I want to talk about one of the most important things to know is which type of conflict and how it's associated with performance in a team or working with others. So first we have caste conflict, debate, discussion. Some people don't even call it conflict because conflict somehow is a negative word. But that kind of discussion, that debate is actually helpful up to a point. Its relationship with performance in a team is a kind of inverted U. You want some of it, not too much. Then we have relationship conflict, negative affect, I hate you. That is never associated with positive in a team. But here's the thing. It's actually reverse causality. When a team does poorly, then they start turning on each other. And then finally, we have process conflict, which is arguing over how to make a decision, what we should do when. And that turns out to be the most negative indicator of poor team performance. So when you get a lot of process conflict, a little bit at the start is okay. But when you have a lot of it, that's when things go really badly for the team.